What's up guys, this is Sanjay, welcome to my showtime. Today I was working in Adobe Premiere and faced the problem that export settings windows was not popping up when I was trying to export a project. Then I found out that its problem is very simple. What you have to do is that go to your timeline and then scroll your timeline twice or thrice, forward and backwards, and believe me, this is gonna resolve your problem. Go to file now, go to export. You will see that different file formats have been activated. See, different file formats are activated here, and now you can go to export. Your export settings windows will pop up. That's it. That's very simple. Now further steps, you can rename a project or whatever you want to do, and certainly the problem of export settings windows not popping up is rectified. That's it guys. Please do like, subscribe and share my videos, and if you got further queries regarding Adobe Premiere or any software, please do comment below, and thanks for your support. Have a good day. Ciao.